topic, air conditioning and humidification and heating process. So let's start. So problem 1. Air enters a adiabatic washer at 35 degrees Celsius, dBT, and leaves saturated at 20 degrees Celsius, dB2. Calculate the initial humidity ratio. So first, we need to find the given, which is T1, 35 degrees Celsius, T2, 20 degrees Celsius, and the final humidity ratio at 0.0147 kilogram vapor per kilogram dry air. So we have HFG at 30 degrees at 2454 kilojoules per kilogram. So to get the initial humidity ratio, we need to use the formula W1 is equals to W2 minus CPA times T1 minus T2 over HFG. So in this, plugging the value, which is 0.0147 kilogram vapor per kilogram dry air times 1.006 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin times 35 minus 20 Kelvin. Cancel out the Kelvin and over 254 kilojoules per kilogram. So cancel out since the numerator, the denominator has kilojoules per kilogram left. So we will cancel out both. We will be left with 0.0855 kilogram vapor per kilogram of air. Next is problem number 2. Air enters a heating and humidifying unit at 15 degrees Celsius dBT and 40% RH. It leaves at 30 degrees Celsius dB and 50% RH. Determine the heat and moisture added. So we need to find the given first, dBT is 15 degrees Celsius, RH is 40%, dBT to 30 degrees Celsius, and RH to 50%. So we need to get the change in the enthalpy change in dBT ratio. So using the psychrometric chart, I'll be inserting the picture of the psychrometric chart in the video. So dBT is 15 degrees Celsius and RH is 40%. So H in the psychrometric chart is 23.5 kilojoules per kilogram. The humidity ratio is 0.0042 kilogram vapor per kilogram air. And then dBT2 is 30 degrees Celsius and the RH is 50%. So the enthalpy using the psychrometric chart is 64.5 kilojoules per kilogram. And the humidity ratio is 0.0133 kilogram vapor per kilogram by air. So using the formula, which is the change in the enthalpy, which is 64.5 minus 23.5, we'll be getting 41 kilojoules per kilogram. And the change in the humidity ratio, which is 0.0133 minus 0.042, is equals to 0.091 kilogram vapor per kilogram. So for the third problem, so 2 kilograms of air at 25 degrees Celsius dB, 20% RH, is humidified isotonically to 90% RH. Calculate water required per hour. So we have given here mass of air, just 2 kilograms per second. So using the psychrometric chart, so I'll be inserting the psychrometric chart in the video. So at dBT 25 degrees Celsius to RH 20%. We'll get the values of psychrometric chart at the humidity ratio at state 1 is 0.0440 kilograms vapor per kilogram dry air. And state 2, which is dBT2, 25 degrees Celsius at RH is 90%. So using again the psychrometric chart, we're getting the value at 0.0180 kilogram vapor per kilogram dry air. So required unit is the mass of water in kilogram per hour. So we will be using the formula mass of air times the humidity ratio 2 at state 2 minus humidity ratio at state 1, which is the mass of water 2 kilograms per second times 0.0180 minus 0.00440 kilogram vapor per kilogram dry air. So cancel out the kilogram of air. We'll be left with 0.028 kilograms vapor per second. So we'll be converting it to hours, so times 80,600 rather, which is result in 100.8 kilogram per hour. That is all. Thank you.